Hi there, Jack here from Bridge Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to show you how to get started using your Eversys Cameo coffee machine. So you can view Eversys machines as baristas in a box. The machine itself is going to be taking care of so many of the different things that the barista is usually in charge of, making sure that the coffee is well extracted and delivering high quality milks for each different recipe on your menu. So when you purchase an Eversys machine and it's installed, the menu is going to be set up and calibrated for you by the Eversys engineers. All of your drinks will be configured in the menu, and you can get started with any of them just with the touch of a button. All Eversys machines have a number of different ways that they can steam, texture and heat milk, which we've covered in a separate video which you can click just above. The way that you interact with the machine and make drinks does depend on the different milk systems that you have installed. A few things to be aware of are the ETC system, which is that coffee extraction monitoring system. All day, every day, your machine is going to be monitoring the extraction time of your coffee. So your baristas won't need to go in and tweak the grind size. The machine is going to measure how long it took to extract that coffee, whether it's meeting the right targets that were set in the calibration, and it will change the grinder coarser or finer to make sure you're getting consistent extractions all day, every day. So your drinks menu is going to be fully configured to whatever drinks you require for your menu. And to get started, all it requires is the touch of a button. Some drinks will have the icon of a takeaway cup, which dispense straight into a cup down below both the milk and the coffee. You can adjust the height of the spout to accommodate for any cup size and to avoid spilling. And the coffee will be dispensed at the same time into the cup down below, ready to serve, nicely incorporating that coffee into the milk. And those drink types are really ideal for a fast grab-and-go coffee service where you can put a lid on top and you don't need latte art. If you can afford a little bit more time for your service and you want to serve latte art on your drinks, you can use that 2.5-step milk configuration, tapping the drink icon that has the wand going inside the jug. In this configuration, the milk is dispensed perfectly texturized into your jug below. You can combine that with an espresso shot into your cup. Perfectly extracted espresso and heated and textured milk as well for any of the drinks on your menu. Ready to pour a nice pattern on top. And finally, you have the Everfoam milk system. Using that Everfoam button for any of the drinks on your menu, you can texturize that milk automatically with the steam wand. This is best for using a whole different range of milk types rather than being constrained by just one type of milk. Making sure, as you would on any normal coffee machine, to wipe. And then using this button, quickly purge, just to get rid of any built-up milk residue. Eversys machines are really great at rinsing themselves throughout the day, just to make sure no milk or coffee residue is building up. But you can start a rinse cycle manually by tapping this top middle icon and hitting rinse, just to force a quick rinse through the machine. If you want to quickly give your screen a wipe down, simply tap that same middle icon and hit the hand and cloth icon. And now you have 10 seconds just to wipe the screen, get rid of any dust, and it won't pick up any of those touches to potentially mess with the menu or start drinks by accident. If you've ever used an automatic machine or a bean-to-cup machine, you know that cleaning is the most important thing you can do to look after your machine and keep it running for the long term. So Eversys is great in that it doesn't let your teams get away with skipping that cleaning. Every 24 hours it kicks in automatically, but you can also, at the end of the day, start that cleaning manually by holding down the rinse icon. Tap yes to start the cleaning. And then it's really simple. It will take about 20 minutes, but the screen does walk you through absolutely everything that you need to do. So we've done a fully dedicated video on cleaning the Cameo, and it's the same for every Eversys machine, just up here. So as standard, you'll have 2 coffee hoppers, usually a caffeinated and a decaf. In between, you have a powder chute where you can add ground coffee if you're using pre-ground decaf or retail coffees or something more specialty grade with a separate grinder. And on the right-hand side, you've got your hopper for cleaning tablets as well, which you'll have to automatically refill to clean that coffee system. So that's just a quick look at the Eversys Cameo and a few of its features. If you're interested in learning about the Cameo or any of the Eversys machines, then just get in touch with us at our website. They are brilliant machines for any business that wants that barista quality coffee without any of the hassle. Incredible drinks at just the touch of a button. So if you're interested, then just get in touch with us at Bridge Coffee Roasters, and I'll see you in the next video.